identified many areas to spur growth, and one of these within industrialization and manufacturing is the textile and apparel value chain.
There are at least 10 very strong reasons why Kenya is attractive to investors.
Kenya maintains and has maintained a very business-oriented and private sector-focused policy. So Kenya is currently one of the largest exporters to the American market on apparel, and it employs many people. And we believe it is a great avenue to promote job creation through greater investment because of the markets.
Kenya is strategically located. Kenya is the gateway for Eastern and Central Africa. So logistic-wise, you find Kenya is a very good destination for investors.
Manufacturing is a key pillar in our policy as a country. Fiber, textiles and apparel is the top priority actually within the manufacturing sector.
It's a good place to invest in because of the experience that we have received with the existing apparel sector. We have a very well-educated and exposed workforce. In fact, Kenyan workforce is considered one of the best in the region and very easily trainable. So for this reason, an investor can set up in Kenya because of the market, and it can set up in Kenya because of the very well and capable labor force.
The government is building a lot of industrial infrastructure or investment infrastructure in terms of the export processing zones and also the special economic zones. These are the zones that have good infrastructure. They are built for purpose with all the kind of support they require, and this is where investors can go invest and export their produce.
There are different segments where one can invest. There is big market access which is available from Kenya to Europe, to UK, to US under AGOA, and then EAC, COMESA, and then the bigger thing happening now is Africa Free Trade.
There is one park in Naivasha, Naivasha Special Economic Zone, which is actually specifically built for investors in textile and apparel. We are hoping to attract big investors, the leading investors in the world in this subsector.
EPZs are set with a ready-made infrastructure where investors can come and start operating at the least possible time spent.
You find Kenya is doing very, very well. The structure that has been put in place to monitor and improve the work environment, the laws have been modernized. You can get a lot of government services now digitally through e-citizen and other platforms. And the government is even now focusing more on even reducing the cost of doing business, logistics, power, water, and the related expenses.
We are the highly integrated textile mill, which means we begin from raw material to the finished products. We also have a value addition, a tailoring unit. We are very happy that we have a high capacity production here in Rivertex. We have 16,800 spindles in the spinning department. In the weaving department, we can produce 40,000 meters. In the processing department, we can dye, print products there at up to 70,000 meters per day. We are very proud that we can also stitch up to 5,000 pieces of fabric in tailoring departments. So we are highly integrated textile mill with high productivity, with the modern machines.
Manpower is available. Government is very, very keen to support manufacturing. So everything is good. It's just that you have to have a great plan, have commitment to the country, and come and rule the world.
The SEZ is here to grow their business, to work with them, to make sure they succeed in their investment ventures.
We ask investors to come here. They can expect to enjoy much more benefits in terms of support.
Kenyan textile industry has a huge opportunity. The huge opportunity is, of course, in exports and, of course, in the domestic local market. Yes, Kenya is open for business, and yes, Kenya will be a very good destination for investment. And yes, Karibu Kenya.
We have a very vibrant apparel manufacturing sector in Kenya, which employs almost 50,000 direct workers.
For a lot of you who are in the textile business, we would like to encourage you to consider setting up in Kenya. It is a very good location, it is a very good climate, it's a good environment for expatriates to live in with its global connections. And Nairobi is a big hub, and that also is something that would be attractive. We encourage you to partner with the government of Kenya in investing in this very important sector and access global markets without any restraint.